I really hope no one's out here because I just want to enjoy walking into a forest. Even though I almost got eaten by a freaking muddy puddle. It's kind of creepy. Okay, so I know not to step in that over there. There's 100% a nettle inside my foot. And it hurts. Yeah. If you haven't noticed, I'm trying to find the exit again, because I only wanted to film a bit and then go home. Also, I do kind of want to go to whatever it's called, Winston Hall, and just film it. It is definitely not wise to go across that area, because obviously it's raining mixed with mud, so I'm just going to sink and probably get stuck, and then probably have to call police just to fucking arrest me. To save me. If anyone's watching this, do not step there. That is dangerous AF. Those areas where it's kind of like a tiny ravine, those are like super dangerous, because what happened with me back there, where literally my entire shoe almost sunk to the fucking Narnia. I don't even know where it would have went. If I'm honest, I kind of want to look at the maps real quick, just to see whereabouts I am and which direction I'm walking. Also, do not go there. That is a bad idea to go through, because you can easily sink through it. See, look, I'm gonna demonstrate. Look. See, my shoe literally sank in it about a tiny bit, but that's because of probably a rock there or something. That was good. But really, don't really just go into the middle of a forest that's blocked off by a fence, really. It's just stupid. That was a dumb idea. I mean, this entire video is a dumb idea. Scratching myself up left, right and centre. See what I mean? Look. It's bad to do this because it's one, idiotic, and two, you never know when it could be sinking mud. I don't know if that's a thing, by the way, but it's just better being careful than it is, obviously, whatever it's called. It's better safe than sorry, basically. I kind of want to get home now, so this is why I'm heading back in this direction. I need to go up to the right a bit. So, I'm not sure if I want to, you know what, yeah, what time is it? It is 12 AM, is it? I don't know. It's either 12 AM or, I think it is 12 AM because then it's 1, yeah. Or 12 out. Oh, well. Time for me to get home. If I'm honest, I was trying to get to Winstanley Hall, but yeah, I don't think it's probably good to go that way, at least because of the mud. But it is what it is. So sorry that I can get that Winstanley video of exploring. But I mean, this is the type of stuff that people do. 1 minute, let me just concentrate. Oh yeah, this is the type of stuff that people do. Once you've literally the only safe possible way I can go to get to Winstanley Hall. The person said that if I go there again, they'll call the police and stuff. And it's not going to be as bad because it's going to be my first ever offence in the entire of ever. Because I've always been good. I've never done anything stupid like that. So it'll literally be my very, very first offence. So I wouldn't even get anything. I'd probably just get a slap on the wrist. And I mean, I am 21, so I don't exactly know what the law is for a 21-year-old. Cross-pathing? Is it called cross-pathing? Trespassing, there you go. Couldn't find the word then. Trespassing. Look at this sinking straight down. Look. This is dangerous. Let me just try and jab it into the thing for you. Look. Goes up to about there. That is bonkers. So hopefully made it, let's go. It's bonkers that I didn't even know that mud, whatever the fudge, quicksand. I guess you can call it quick mud. I don't know that type of stuff. I obviously know what quicksand is. It's really, really difficult to get out. Well, especially if you're going to panic and stuff like that. I've watched Bear Grylls, even though it's kind of sad that he kind of fakes his stuff. Kind of fakes his stuff, should I say. Because it's not 100% fakes. Because he still goes through it. But, I think I just might try and just talk to the person that owns the house that I go past, because I really just want to go there with permission from the people there, because obviously the people that actually own the place, they probably live in the freaking fancy mansions and shit that don't even care about it, so they're just letting it to go to waste and decay slowly and slowly. I'm actually wanting to go in there and film, and it's annoying when someone's over protective of someone that they don't even know. That is a stupid way to go. Holy shit, I almost freaking sunk into the bottom yet again. Right, what was I saying? Oh yeah, it's thingy. It's annoying when they're overprotective, but it's like, I kind of get it, you know what I mean? Because obviously you don't really want someone's injury on your mind or whatever the fudge, you know, get. But like, I'm just one of these types of kids that just have no friends or anything. And I'm not ashamed to say that, because it's just true. I mean, why should I be ashamed of something that I can't help? Well, I can, but it's just going to be very difficult, obviously. But I can, but it's going to be obviously difficult to do so because of my anxiety. And it's not like your normal anxiety where it's just like you get a slight feeling that you don't want to go outside, and it's like proper bad to where I can't even talk to people. Now I'm talking through my phone to you because you're not here, if that makes sense. It's like I'm talking to myself, which may seem like I'm crazy, but I'm not. It's just the way that I am. Obviously, if someone walked up to me and be like, hello, I'd be like, you know, hello. Because I'd kind of shut down, if that makes sense. Like, I would shut myself down and just be, what the word is, less friendly, if that's a word. I have no clue what I'm even saying. Trying to freaking word it like where you can understand what I'm feeling and all that crap. I don't know. Yeah, this should be safe enough to cut through this bit and then take a right. This is a perfect camping area. And there's like a little exit. Those people there are the ones that I can't go past, like in the open, because they said last time if I do it again they'll call the police. So this is why I'm being an idiot and going straight through the forest where I could possibly get myself into more less danger than the actual abandoned building. Because it's not like I went there and started destroying everything and they came over because they heard like glass break and all that. I was literally just walking around filming. I wouldn't say ghost hunting. It was more of me filming, exploring, like a abandoned exploration type of video. Oh, I'm sweating. I can't wait to get home and just get a shower and just get all these freaking fawns out of me and stuff. Right, as I was saying, but yeah, I wasn't even destroying anything. I wasn't making, loud music or anything like that. I wasn't making stupid noises. I wasn't throwing rubbish everywhere. I wasn't destroying anything. I wasn't breaking into it because it's already open, so I don't really. You're not exactly breaking into something if you're just gonna walk into it. And before anyone says, "Oh, it's a construction area," blah blah blah, it's been there for like 20 plus years. And they've done piss all with it. Even the actual, like, building, whatever they're called, like metal things, it's been that long that they turned rusty. So they're clearly not doing anything. So it's just kind of a shame to not film it, or I don't know how to describe it, whatever. But there's also one near, there's like a proper massive one near Up Holland, I think it's called. It's either Up Holland or near like the Billinge area, and it's like this massive freaking, like a church. I mean, it's not a church, but it's more of how do I explain it? It's more of a sake. It's basically where you teach people to be Catholic, or to be like a deacon, would you call it? I don't. It's basically a school for people that want to become like a person that like tells stuff about God and stuff. You know, yeah. It used to be like a school for that, and it's also got a grave in the back of it, I think, which is probably just all the people that like owned the building, or like were like in a high estate of like the Pope, or not the Pope. The Pope's in Italy, but I don't know what they're called. Not the Pope. People that are like close to the Pope, like deacons. I think that's an American word. I don't really know what the British word is for person that like talks about God. You know, with the white collar, like a priest. They basically teach you how to become a priest, how to become a nun, and stuff like that. So they have a phone number to call, and I've not exactly called them yet because my anxiety has just been horrendous lately with on phones and stuff. And it's like every time I want to start ring them, I keep forgetting the number. But I think once I get home and I've had a shower and stuff, I'm probably gonna probably gonna ring them up and be like, hey, can I go there with your permission and stuff. I'm probably gonna have to talk to people, which mentally I'm not gonna be ready for whatsoever, but it's something that I have to do. Then it's something I have to do, you know what I mean? But I think it's because it's just, if I do obviously make said video, it will probably get like at least like hundreds of views. Because my past one that was like 4 minutes long, it got at least 500. And I mean, granted, it was only like a 4-minute video, but still, you know what I mean? But still, it's still good to get 500 views when you've only got like 300 subscribers that are all well, I won't say all of them, but most of them are just probably people that have subscribed to me and just forgot that they were even subscribed. Which is fine, because I guess I get a free subscriber, like I get a free sub. But you know, it is what it is, I guess you could say. Oh man, that was my shoelace, by the way. Stood on my own shoelace. Lol. Right, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, that video about, I want to make a video. I mean, I did make a video of me filming around said area, and like I was just walking with the fence and stuff, and they have like cameras over on the actual abandoned. I doubt they work, but still, they had cameras there and stuff. So I'm just concentrating so I don't get freaking spiked on this. Above the wire. Perfect. Anyway, as I was saying, let's go that way. Oh, fucking pain in the arse. My pants are like piss wet through, by the way. At least my shoes are kind of. It'd be so awkward if I come out of the forest like this and someone walks past me. I've literally got a stick in my foot. This is where I almost... Oh my days, I slipped. This is where I almost slipped into the thingy. Let's see, let's go where the tree is, because then I have something to hold on. We're good. It proper stinks down here. Perfect. Let's go. And nobody's the wiser that I did something stupid like walking through a forest just to do nothing and walk back home. Like trees and branches on the phone. Holy crap, 26 minutes. I was recording that long. I'm gonna start heading home now. Oh. My hat's like proper wet through. So is my pants and everything. My shoelaces are untight. Sorry for the bad angles. I'm trying to put my hat back on because I was making sure there was no leaves just fucking sticking out. Well, that was not worth it. At least I got a video out of it, I guess. 26 minutes, 27, look at that, man. Oh, for fuck's sake, I went the wrong way again. Just loop around this way. It's muddy AF. I need to buy some Wellingtons next month. I think I might end the video here because it's way too long for my channel. Like my videos on my channel should not be long because nobody watches them. Well, I think Mark does, but that's about it. It's just, yeah. Anyway, like, subscribe, have a great day, appreciate you all. I guess you hopefully enjoyed me randomly exploring a garbage forest area, getting freaking fawns in every nook and cranny. I'm gonna go home, get a shower, chill out on my Xbox and stuff, and just trying to think of what videos to make because I have zero clue, and yeah, that's just what it is. I guess. Have a great day. I love you all. Appreciate you all. Thank you very much. You're all simply just amazing and beautiful. Have a great day. Good morning. Good night. Whenever you may be watching this time, at the time, have a great day. Love you all. Appreciate you all, and I shall leave you. And yeah, thank you very much.